Kenyans have been killed and their bodies buried in a forest in Malindi, in Shakahola. And Honorable Speaker, you must ask yourself, there were chiefs, there were intelligence officers in Malindi, in Kilifi, in Shakahola. Honorable Speaker, you remember in the last 5 years, it was said hundreds of people disappeared, and forced disappearances and extrajudicial killings. And Honorable Speaker, we have asked elsewhere, is it possible that those who are subjected to extrajudicial killings under the last regime are part of those who are buried in Shakahola? And I want to ask Nurdin Haji to ensure that he goes to the depth of the extrajudicial killings under the former regime and under DCI Kinoti, and check whether there is any correlation between Shakahola, the massacre and burying of bodies in Shakahola, and the extrajudicial killings that were perpetuated in the last 5 years, Honorable Speaker. And with those, I beg to strongly support this great son of Garissa County, a great son of Kenya, whose family also, Mr. Speaker, has served this country. His father, not just as senator, but also as an experienced administrator and security man in the past. And I do hope that the DPP Nurdin Haji will follow in the footsteps of his late father and the footsteps of other intelligence chiefs who have secured our country, and I wish him all the best. I beg to support.
Honorable Zamzam, Mombasa.